Ta-da! My closet. Just kidding, but that was my closet a week ago.
In last week's video, you guys watched me give myself a DIY closet makeover. I bought stuff on Facebook Marketplace, replaced some ugly lamps, went to IKEA, put up some shelves, and did a bunch of things to give myself a nice little temporary closet before I can redo my dream closet. And while I did show you a lot in that video, I ended it on a cliffhanger.
I'm gonna set all this up and do an actual tour next weekend. Sorry!
So I finished decorating it this weekend.
So today I'm gonna give you a tour. Let's get up off the floor.
All right, so you guys remember the before, and now?
I say I did a pretty good job. Okay guys, so I will give you the whole tour. Mind you, PS guys, obviously this is not my final finished closet tour. Like, a bunch of people commented in the other one, like, and I didn't expect it to look like that. Because, guys, this is a temporary closet, so relax. I know this isn't exactly what my beautiful luxury closet should look like. This is literally what I built in a week by myself, okay? So we'll start with the back wall. This is all the stuff that I got on Facebook Marketplace. You guys know I don't really have, like, honestly, too many clothes. I would almost always rather wear a sweatshirt, but I do have lots of fabulous accessories. So we'll start with the showcases. As you guys know, I shop all the time. So up top here, I just put some of my most beautiful favorite shopping bags. You can see, look at this, the shelves actually turn on, they're lit. So on the insides of the shelves, I put all of my most treasured little like figurines and things. I love my little Gucci teddy bear. I just think these are the most magical little things in the world. Oh, like that is just magnificent, wow. So in the showcase, I put all of my most fabulous little accessories and things. Like I have my belts, Gucci belts, Chanel belts, the Dior fan, remember? I got that in Singapore. Oh, I have a couple of real pieces of jewelry. Like you guys know, most of my jewelry now is fake because it looks just as good, so I sold all my real jewelry. And if that's not the best ad for my jewelry brand, I don't know what is. But I do still have a couple of things as investments, as you know. Oh, like I have my real emerald ring, gorgeous. And right next to that is my fake Harry Winston ring. Oh, but doesn't it look beautiful in there? P.S. Remember all the videos where I was buying the old jewelry boxes? This is what I was always planning to do with them. Like, ta-da, do you see? I have all of them in here. Don't they look so gorgeous? Like the old Tiffany's box, how cool is that? Oh, just magnificent, truly. My own brand box in there just for fun.
I have a couple other things in here, like this beautiful card I got at the Dior Museum in Paris. I just find this really inspiring.
I have a lot of funny stuff on this shelf. Like, do you see back there? Those are Saint Laurent condoms. Like, these are my crazy pink Gucci socks. I love these. Another Chanel belt, necklace, my little mini Ritz Paris teddy bear in there. P.S. Did you guys notice I actually changed the hardware on these to be these like beautiful antique ones? You know, made the shelves a little bit more my style. Beautiful. Got some of my Louis things on the floor here. And then, so this, oh my God, I love this little furniture thing. So this is my beautiful little China hutch. Again, Facebook Marketplace. How beautiful did this come out? I love it. Like, all of this carving is hand done. It is original, real hand carving from like 1900. It's crazy. They just don't make stuff like this anymore. Again, the quality, this is like real marble. This is so nice. So beautiful. But anyways, so in here, I went ahead and put a little bit extra of my fancy jewelry, my fancy necklaces in here, and my beautiful little Dior chair that I got in Amsterdam. P.S. guys, like I said, this is old. So this actually came with an old key. I put it on my keychain, but look at this. You literally need this to open it. Like, this actually is a lock. Whoa. Some more real diamond rings. This is actually the first real diamond ring I ever bought, so stays special to me. In this cabinet is actually where I'm gonna store all of my like underwear, bras, like random things. I'll do that after Christmas. That can be part of getting my life together in January, but for now, like this is honestly just such a cool little cabinet. So here I went ahead and migrated some of my most fabulous things so they could be out on display. These obviously live in my shoe closet, but I thought for this video it would be fun to have some of my most beautiful things out on display. Oh, it's real quick for fun. Oh, like these are the best shoes ever made. My favorite shoes ever. Amazing. Like you guys know, these shoes usually live in here in my shoe closet, which is spectacular. This is just the best thing I've ever seen. My purses all live in here too, but I had to bring it in there so it could guest star, you know? Again, this lives in my purse closet, but for now it's here purely just for the vibes. Like you guys know, this is what I have. 45,000 pairs of shoes. And like 4 actual outfits. I'm really a collector more so than I am a fashion girly. I really just like to have them and look at them. I think they're gorgeous. I just love looking at beautiful stuff. And you know, what I really want to wear is these and nothing. P.S. A question I weirdly get asked a lot is if I still have my tattoo. Guys, of course I do. That's kind of like the whole thing about tattoos is they stay. Amazon chandelier honestly came out a lot prettier than I even imagined. $300 chandelier on Amazon, you guys. Like, this is honestly very beautiful considering.
You guys saw me have it being installed on my IG stories earlier this week, but I mean, like I said, 300 bucks, pretty impressive.
Like y'all don't want to know how much this chandelier cost me. Albeit fabulous and unbelievable and spectacular, let's just say this cost approximately times more than that.
Not to mention, literally anything is better than this hideous light that I had before, so yay.
You can't really see it when I film like this, but there is a giant drywall hole. My friend's husband is going to come fix it for me. Thank God someone I know is married, so I can benefit from this. Thanks, Michael and Nicole. Okay, anyways, back to the shelf tour. So this box actually didn't fit in the showcase, so this...
Oh, my beautiful little Cartier box. Unbelievable.
And you guys know I love the Princess Diaries, the infamous closet scene. So I copied that. Dun, 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 dun. How cool is that? So I did this myself. The drawers obviously didn't come this way. I did this. So this was actually a piece of foam that I wrapped up in a pillowcase. Y'all know I love a DIY. So I did that for all the drawers. This is the drawer with the rings.
Like, wow, yeah.
Now that's a mood. We're here in the other showcase cabinet. I have a bunch more fabulous treasures. Like I just put, honestly, some random stuff like my Dior plate, my Swarovski membership, some hats, honestly, things that I just had that were funny. I love this magazine cover. Kim is actually wearing a giant pearl necklace in this photo, so I thought that was kind of fun, like museum-esque, you know? No, it's not the same one, it's cool. Tiny little Louis Vuitton box, little silver thing. Again, my beautiful jewelry boxes, gorgeous, gorgeous. Some other just extremely random yet aesthetic things that I have. Oh, like, aren't these beautiful? I need to go to Aspen. Keychains, bookmarks. For now, my passport's in here, the Harrods teddy bear, you know, my Chanel umbrella, just some random things. This is actually an original doorknob from the Plaza Hotel that I am now using as a little knob to hang one of my most favorite little dresses on. Isn't that pretty? I just thought that was cute, kind of Carrie Bradshaw coded. Oh, I love this dress. Like a beautiful little cupcake. Okay, so for my actual clothes, this is how I hung them. Like my curtain rod idea actually worked out pretty well. Dun 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 dun. So you would be shocked to know this is actually all the clothes that I have. I don't really have too many clothes. This is all the clothes I own. I don't really actually have too many clothes. I do, however, have a lot of corsets. I just love them. I think they're gorgeous. They're the only thing that I really love to wear. This one is the only one that's actually a really famous brand. This is Wiederhoft. Taylor Swift was just wearing it, but the rest of these
These are actually samples that I had designed and made.
I've been talking about it forever, but these are actually all custom designs made for my eventual corset line that is coming, you guys. I know I've been talking about it forever, but this year I'm really doing it. So stay tuned, Corsets by Me 2026, it's happening. Okay, so what clothes actually are in my closet? I don't usually have too many outfits at one time. I buy it, sell it. I'm constantly trading around my stuff. You guys know I love Poshmark. I'm like always doing that. eBay, all the higher end stuff I do on like First Dibs and stuff. But like I have my beautiful little like accessories and things. My like a couple of really pretty dresses. All my designer tops. This is Dolce. This is Dolce. This is Dior. Dolce. Dolce. La Dolce Vita so many times over. I love these little Dolce & Gabbana outfits. I just think they're so cute. I have like all the matching tops and skirts. These are like the clothes that I keep, like my staple things that I always have. And then, you know, all my other skirts, like I have some Gucci skirts. I have some, again, some Dolce skirts. Isn't this cool? Very Y2K, unbelievable. Gucci, you know, I love my designer stuff. Feathers, some Versace to match the Versace pillow.
Point is, the stuff that I keep is like couture fancy things that actually have asset value. I don't keep 100 Rogue Shein outfits in my closet. The things that I keep all the time are things that are actually valuable. Like Carrie says, literally money sitting in my closet.
Obviously, I don't exactly wear this on a daily basis, but like this is so fabulous. Like this is literally how all of my clothes are. Very fabulous, but you know, you can really only wear this to Trader Joe's like once a week.
Like, I honestly can't believe I lived with it this bad for this long. It looks so much better now.
There is just so much more space in here now. Like, can you even believe this is the same room? You can actually walk around and move and groove. I actually can't groove, you know I can't dance, but this is just so much better. Hell is this, you ask? Well, this is actually a coat draped over where I'm currently hiding my laundry basket and trying to cover the lack of baseboards. Like I said, guys, temporary, but a huge improvement from how it was before. And now I know exactly the layout and what to do for my real closet.
But as I always used to say, nailed it.
So that's my little tour. And by the way, you guys, I'm always saying in the videos like, oh, if you want to see me buy more furniture, if you want to see me like redo the closet the right way, shop the jewelry. You guys not only shopped, you guys basically sold out the entire website, and I'm absolutely gonna get to do the new closet in the new year. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Truly, thank you. So like, comment, subscribe, because the real closet makeover is coming to a YouTube near you. We'll see you guys December 31st for the annual vision board video. And for now, I love you. Kisses till next time. XO.
Woohoo! This is what my friend.
The light is just covering his head.
Yeah, I was like, don't worry, Michael, you're fully anonymous. No one can see you.
She's just mysterious.
Doing so much.
This is what married friends are for.
Yeah, our Saturdays are for too.
Oh man.